خملګرو زمونږ نننۍ ویډیو ډیره خاص ده او خاص کر د هغه ورونو خویندو دپاره چې د هغوی د سپیکینګ انګلیش لیول بالکل زیرو دی. نو هغه ورونو او خویندو ته زه په چیلنج سره وایم که چېرته هغوی دا ویډیو مکمل ولیده او د هغې نه بعد په دې باندې پریکټس وکړي نو انشاءالله چې د هغوی سپیکینګ لیول به د 30 نه 40% پورې ښه شي. ځکه چې په دې ویډیو کې موږ د 500 نه زیاتې هغه د انګلیش جملې ډیزاین کړي دي کومې چې موږ په خپله روزمره زندګۍ کې ډېرې زیاتې استعمالو. نو د ټایم د ضایع کېدو نه بغیر راځئ چې موږ خپل کلاس سٹارټ کړو. د هغې په سر درد دی. He has a headache. He has a headache. ستا پوزه را بهیږي. Your nose is running. Your noise is running. زما طبیعت خراب دی. My health is down. My health is down. د هغې د زړه بیماری ده. He has a heart trouble. He has a heart trouble. زما تبه ده او مرۍ مې خرابه ده. I have fever and sore throat. I have fever and sore throat. خوشحالي د صحت دپاره یو ښه خوراک دی. Happiness is the best tonic for health. Happiness is the best tonic for health. زه د خپلې بیمارۍ نه تنګ شوم. I'm fed up with my illness. I'm fed up with my illness. زما په خیال مونږ مخکې ملاو شوي یو. I think we have met before. I think we have met before. هلته موسم څنګه و؟ How was the weather there? How was the weather there? د دې ځای پېښور څومره لرې دی؟ How far is Peshawar from here? How far is Peshawar from here? ته چېرته اوسېږې؟ Where do you live? Where do you live? زما ډېر زیات ملګري دي. I have many friends. I have many friends. تا سره څو روپۍ دي؟ How much money do you have? How much money do you have? بس سټیشن د دې ځای نه څومره لرې دی؟ How far is the bus station from here? How far is the bus station from here? آیا تا سره څه ثبوت شته؟ Do you have any proof? Do you have any proof? آیا تا سره د هغې د موبایل نمبر شته؟ Do you have his phone number? Do you have his phone number? آیا ته کله پېښور ته تللی یې؟ Have you ever been go to Peshawar? هغه به په 2 غنټو کې واپس راشي. He will come back in 2 hours. He will come back in 2 hours. زه د کور کار کوم. I'm doing household chores. I'm doing household chores. هغه څه کول؟ What was he doing? What was he doing? ما یوازې پرېږده. Leave me alone. زه دا ډېر نه استعمالوم. I don't use it much. I don't use it much. هر څوک لالچي نه وي. Not all people are greedy. Not all people are greedy. ما هغې ته وویل. I have told him. I have told him. غلطي ستا وه زما نه. The fault was yours not mine. The fault was yours not mine. فضول مه کښېنه. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. ګیس ختم شو. The gas has finished. The gas has finished. آیا دا د خندا وخت دی؟ Is it time to laugh? Is it time to laugh? آیا هلته څوک شته؟ Is anyone there? Is anyone there? آیا ته تر اوسه ویښ یې؟ Are you still awake? Are you still awake? خپل غوسه په ما مو کاږه. Don't take your anger out on me. دا ما قصدن نه دی کړي. I did not do this purposely. I did not do this purposely. آیا ستا دا خوښ نشو؟ Didn't you like this? Didn't you like this? هیڅ خبره نه ده. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. زه ډیر ستړی یم. I'm extremely tired. I'm extremely tired. هغه نن څنګه دی؟ چې کله تاسو د چا د طبیعت باره کې تپوس کوئ نو بیا به تاسو داسې وایئ. How is it today? How is it today? او د دې جواب دی د پرون نه نن ښه دی. He is better today. He is better today. زمونږ په کور کې هر یو کس بیمار دی. Everyone in my house is ill. Everyone in my house is ill. آیا څوک راغلی دی؟ Has someone come? Has someone come? آیا تا روټۍ خوړلې ده؟ Have you had your meals? Have you had your meals? ما روټۍ خوړلې ده. I have had my food. I have had my food. آیا ستا ما سره څه کار دی؟ Do you have any business with me? Do you have any business with me? ته څه خوړل غواړې؟ What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? ملمانه دننه راوله. Bring the guests in. Bring the guests in. زما څه هم نه دی پکار. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. ما سحر وختي را پاسوه. Wake me up early in the morning. Wake me up early in the morning. تا زه ولې را پانسولم. Why didn't you wake up me up? Why didn't you wake up me up? داسې نشي کېدلی. It can't be so. It can't be so. زه تا سره یم. I'm with you. I'm with you. زه تا سره متفق یم. I agree with you. I agree with you. دا ټول ستا په وجه وشول. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. دننه څوک هم نشته. There is nobody inside. There is nobody inside. ماته خوب راځي. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. کله هم په قرض باندې ما اخلا. Never buy on credit. Never buy on credit. د دې څه مطلب دی؟ What does it mean? What does it mean? هغې ته چوټي ملاو نشوه. He could not get leave. He could not get leave. چرته یې؟ Where are you? Where are you? تا زما د پاره څه کړي دي؟ What have you done for me? What have you done for me? تا ته زما باره کې د فکر ضرورت نشته. You need not worry about me. زه به هلته په وخت درشم. I will be there on time. I will be there on time. چاته هم پتا نه وه. No one knew. No one knew. هغه به سبا ته واپس راشي. He will return tomorrow. ستا غلطی وه نو ځکه تا ته سزا ملاو شوه. You were at fault. That's why you were punished. You were at fault. That's why you were punished. ته اوده وې. You were asleep. You were asleep. مونږ دلته اوسېږو. This is where we live. This is where we live. پرون ته ولې نه وې راغلی؟ Why were you absent? Why were you absent? ما سره چې څه هم دي د هغې نه ته څه اخیستلی شي. You can take some whatever I have. You can take some whatever I have. په وخت راشه. Be on time. Be on time. ما ته زما کتاب ملاو شو. I found my book. I found my book. د شپې ناوخته پورې کار مه کوه. Don't work till late at night. Don't work till late at night. سپی وشړه. Drive the dog off. Drive the dog off. هغوی ما پسې خاندي. They are laughing at me. They are laughing at me. تا بیخی کار نه دی کړی. You have not worked at all. You have not worked at all. هغه ډیر چالاک دی. He is very clever. He is very clever. زما د راتلو پورې دلته انتظار وکړه. Please wait here till I come back. Please wait here till I come back. زبا پلار ته شکایت وکړم. I will complain to father. I will complain to father. زما په خیال تا ډیر ښه وکړل. I think you did very well. I think you did very well. قینچي چرته ده. Where are the scissors? دا زما دماغ خرابوي. It's messing with my head. It's messing with my head. زه هغې سره ملاوېدل غواړم. I want to meet him. I want to meet him. ته د چا انتظار کوي؟ Whom are you waiting for? Whom are you waiting for? د خوراک د پاره سره وړه. Get something to eat. Get something to eat. د سکلو د پاره سره وړه. Get something to drink. Get something to drink. په یو قیمت هم زه هلته نه ځم. I'll not go there at any cost. I'll not go there at any cost. هغه د راتلو والا دی. He is about to come. He is about to come. زه د مرګ نه نه یریږم. I'm not afraid of death. I'm not afraid of death. ما سره بحث مه کوه. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. ورځ په ورځ حالات خرابېږي. Things are deteriorating day by day. Things are deteriorating day by day. خپل کار سره کار ساته. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. آیا ته موټر سایکل چلولی شي؟ Do you know how to ride bike? Do you know how to ride bike? آیا ته گاڑی چلولی شي؟ Do you know how to drive car? Do you know how to drive car? هغه قرض غواړي. He needs to borrow the money. He needs to borrow the money. تر اوسه څوک راغلی؟ Has anybody come yet? Has anybody come yet? لاړ شه او د هغې نه پیسې راوړه. Go and get the money from him. Go and get the money from him. زه خپل کار کوم. I have been doing my work. I have been doing my work. زما په خپل ځان یقین دی. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. هغې غلطي وکړه. She has made a mistake. She has made a mistake. ما ته رستو را یاد کړه. Remind me later. Remind me later. زما په غاښ درد دی. I have a toothache. I have a toothache. ستا غاښ خراب دی. You have a bad tooth. You have a bad tooth. ډیر خواږه سیزونه مه خوره. Don't eat many sweets. Don't eat many sweets. زه تیزه منډه وهلی شم. I can run fast. I can run fast. څومره غټه ونه ده. What a big tree. What a big tree. دا ډیر ګرم دی. It's too hot. It's too hot. تا ته خپله مزدوري میلاو شوه. Did you get your wages? Did you get your wages? تا ډیر ښه وکړل. You did very well. You did very well. هغوی سترګې ښکته کړې. They lowered their eyes. They lowered their eyes. دا ډیر زیات دی. It's too much. It's too much. ما تا ته کله هم څه نه دي ویلي. I never said anything to you. I never said anything to you. زما دواړه خوښ دي. I like both. I like both. زه یو ځل هلته تللی وم. I had been there once. ته څه ووایه. You say something. You say something. هغې ته دومره ازادي مه ورکوه. Don't give him this much freedom. Don't give him this much freedom. ته د دې ځای نه لاړ شه. You walk away from here. You walk away from here. ته زما وخت خرابوي. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. لږ انتظار وکړه. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. هغه کله هم زما پروا نه ده کړې. He never cared from me. He never cared from me. آیا ته اوس هم د خوبی؟ Are you still sleepy? Are you still sleepy? زما د لارې نه لرې شه. Move out of my way. خپل عادتونه بدل کړه. Change your habits. Change your habits. مونږ هره ورځ نوي څیزونه زده کوو. We learn new things every day. We learn new things every day. چې کله مونږ میلاو شو نو بیا به د دې باره کې خبره وکړو. When we meet, we will talk about it. When we meet, we will talk about it. زما د هغې د خبرو انداز خوښ دی. I like the way he talks. I like the way he talks. زه وږی یم. I'm feeling hungry. I'm feeling hungry. په سبزی کې مالګه کمه ده. There is less salt in the vegetable. لږ نور راوړه. Bring some more. Bring some more. آیا ته سیګرټ څکې؟ Do you smoke? Do you smoke? آیا علی روټۍ وخوړله؟ Has Ali finished his meal? Has Ali finished his meal? که چېرته مونږ چاته وایو چې جواب راکړه نو بیا به مونږ وایو Please answer. Please answer. یعنی جواب راکړه. واپس راشه. کله چې مونږ چاته وایو چې واپس راشه نو په انګلیش کې به مونږ وایو Please come back. Please come back. مهرباني وکړه دلته راشه. Please come here. Please come here. یعنی چې کله مونږ چاته आवाज کوو چې دلته راشه نو بیا به مونږ وایو Please come here. Please come here. د هغې دا نه دی خوښ چې کله تاسو د چا باره کې خبره کوئ چې د هغې دا نه دی خوښ، نو بیا به مونږ وایو he or she doesn't like it. he or she doesn't like it. تر اوسه نه. not yet. not yet. یعنی چې کله ستاسو نه څوک تپوس وکړي چې آیا تا روټۍ خوړلې ده او تاسو ورته وایئ چې تر اوسه پورې مې نه ده خوړلې، نو دا به تاسو په انګلیش کې څه دغه رنګې وایئ not yet. not yet. ما کار ته پرېږده. let me work. let me work. دا سړک چرته ځي؟ where does this road go to? where does this road go to? ته څه ټایم پاسې؟ when do you get up? when do you get up? ما امتحان پاس کړو. I have passed the examination. I have passed the examination. د دې قیمت څه دی؟ How much does this cost? How much does this cost? تا ته نور مهنت هم کول پکار دی. You have to work harder. You have to work harder. ما سره څه هم نشته. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. بخنه غواړم مانا هیر شو. Sorry, I forgot. Sorry, I forgot. ما داسې کله هم نه دی ویلي. I never said that. I never said that. مونږ ستا باره کې خبره کوله. We were just talking about you. We were just talking about you. دا څوک هم نشي برداشت کولی. No one can bear this. No one can bear this. زما په خېټه کې درد دی. I have stomach ache. I have stomach ache. د اتوار په ورځ زمونږ چوټي وي. We have a holiday on Sunday. We have a holiday on Sunday. ما ته د هغې باره کې هیڅ معلومات نشته. I know nothing about that. I know nothing about that. ته دلته د څه دپاره راغلې؟ What brings you here? آیا څه خاص خبره ده؟ Is there anything special? Is there anything special? دا زما غلطی نه ده. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. دا به ستا دپاره ښه وي. It will be better for you. It will be better for you. چای ګرم کړه. Heat up the tea. Heat up the tea. دا کم کړه. Reduce it. Reduce it. ما سره داسې خبرې مه کوه. Don't talk to me like this. Don't talk to me like this. زه غواړم چې ته چوپ شې. I need you to keep quiet. I need you to keep quiet. ځکه چې ټول خلک اوده دي. Because everybody is asleep. Because everybody is asleep. زه ډېر په جلدی کې وم. I was in a rush. I was in a rush. هغه بالکل راز نشي ساتلی. She can't keep a secret. She can't keep a secret. چې کله زه په موبایل خبرې کوم نو ته چپ اوسه. Keep quiet while I'm on the phone. Keep quiet while I'm on the phone. داسې مه کوه ګینې هغه به خفه شي. Do not do this or she will go mad. Do not do this or she will go mad. نن د شپې 8 بجې زه لایف راځم. I'm going live tonight at 8. I'm going live tonight at 8. هغه کون شو. He went deaf. He went deaf. د دې خوند د لیمبو رنګې دی. It tastes something like lemon. It tastes something like lemon. هغې زموږ ټولو دپاره قهوه تیاره کړه. She made coffee for us all. She made coffee for us all. هغه همیشه ما خندوي. She always make me laugh. She always make me laugh. زه ټوله ورځ بهر وم. I was out all day. I was out all day. دا هغې ته ورکړه. Give it to her. Give it to her. ټولې انډې خرابې شوې. All the eggs went bad. All the eggs went bad. آیا زه ستا خوا کې کېناستلی شم؟ May I sit next to you? May I sit next to you? ته کتاب اخیستلی شي. You may take the book. You may take the book. آیا زه تا سره خبرې کولی شم؟ May I speak to you? May I speak to you? آیا ته د تللو دپاره تیار یې؟ Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Where is the pharmacy? Where is the pharmacy? دا کله وشو؟ When did this happen? When did this happen? زه ستا د نخرو نه تنګ شوم. I'm fed up with your tantrums. I'm fed up with your tantrums. ما ته یو موقع راکړه. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. د خپل ځان خیال ساته. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. زه خوا و شا شپږ بجې پاسم. I get up at about 6 o'clock. I get up at about 6 o'clock. ته څه ټیم پاسې؟ What time do you get up? What time do you get up? زه په چا داسې زر اعتماد نه کوم. I don't trust people so early. I don't trust people so early. ما سره ستا دپاره څه دي؟ I have something for you. I have something for you. زه د سخت مهنت وعده کوم. I promise to work hard. I promise to work hard. ما سره فضول خبرې مه کوه. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. ما ته پته نشته چې هغه راغلی او که نه. I do not know whether he has come. I do not know whether he has come. ما خپل ملګري ته دروغ وویل. I lied to my friend. I lied to my friend. ما ستا باره کې ډېر څه اورېدلي دي. I have heard a lot of you. I have heard a lot of you. زما مشره خور دا تو کالو ده. My elder sister is 8. My elder sister is 8. ما ستا आवाज وپېژندو. I recognized your voice. I recognized your voice. هغې په کړکۍ کې بهر وکتل. She looked out of the window. She looked out of the window. ته کوم رنګ غواړې؟ Which color do you want? Which color do you want? تېره شپه ما ډېر عجیبه خوب ولیدو. I had a strange dream last night. I had a strange dream last night. داسې خبره نه ده چې ته ماته نه یادېږي. It's not like I didn't miss you. It's not like I didn't miss you. حقیقت همیشه تریخ وي. Truth is always better. Truth is always better. زما دماغ مه خوره. Don't nag me. Don't nag me. ما ته اوس جواب راکړه. Answer me right now. زمون فیصله صحیح وه. Our decision was correct. Our decision was correct. ته بزدلی. You are a coward. You are a coward. هغه ډیر زیات سیګریټ سکي. He is a chain smoker. He is a chain smoker. آیا زه تا ته څه راوړم؟ Shall I bring you something? Shall I bring you something? ته سهار څه وخت د کور نه راوځې؟ What time do you leave the house in the morning? What time do you leave the house in the morning? دا ستا دپاره دی. This is for you. This is for you. دا په څو دی؟ How much is it? How much is it? آیا زه ستا مدد کولی شم؟ May I help you? May I help you? زه ستا نه ډېر خفه یم. I'm angry with you. I'm angry with you. زه ستا نه ډېر خوشحاله یم. I'm very happy with you. I'm very happy with you. بیا به کله ملاویږو؟ When will we meet again? When will we meet again? دروغ مه وایه. Don't lie. Don't lie. آیا تا هغې ته وویل؟ Did you say to her? Did you say to her? ما پسې مه خانده. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me. تا څومره زر وکړو؟ You have done so quickly. You have done so quickly. موبایل په دواړو لاسونو ونیسه. Hold the mobile with both hands. Hold the mobile with both hands. ما سره پیسې نشته. I have no money. I have no money. ته ولې داسې سوچ کوې؟ Why do you think so? Why do you think so? زه اکثر هغه سره ملاویږم. I often see him. I often see him. ته چېرته کار کوې؟ Where do you work? Where do you work? زه په یو کمپنی کې کار کوم. I work in a company. I work in a company. زه هغې سره کله هم نه یم ملاو شوی. I never met her. I never met her. آیا تاسو ویل؟ Were you saying something? Were you saying something? آیا تا ما ته ویل؟ Were you saying something to me? Were you saying something to me? زه به هغې سره خبره وکړم، فکر مه کوه. I'll talk to them, don't worry. I'll talk to them, don't worry. کاش چې ما سره ګاډی وی. I wish I had a car. I wish I had a car. عایشه سهار ډیره خوشحاله ښکارېده. Aisha seemed happy enough this morning. Aisha seemed happy enough this morning. دا د زندګۍ حصه ده. This is part of life. This is part of life. آیا ته راځې؟ Are you coming? Are you coming? دلته هر څه بالکل صحیح دي. Things are okay here. Things are okay here. هغه زما لرې رشته دار دی. He is my far off relative. He is my far off relative. په ما یقین وکړه. Count on me. Count on me. سهده پورې. To certain extent. To certain extent. دا هلته کېږده. Keep it there. Keep it there. د تکلف ضرورت نشته. Please don't be format. Please don't be format. بهتره بداوی چې ته خاموش شې. You had better keep silent. You had better keep silent. هغه ته د بهر لار وښایه. Show him out. زبا واپس زم. I'll go back. زدا نشم کوله. I can't do this. I can't do this. هغه کور کې نشتا. He is not at home. He is not at home. ما سره ټایم نشتا. I have no time. I have no time. نن د څه ورځ ده. What's the day today? What's the day today? زما خبره واوره. Listen to me. Listen to me. آیا زه ستا مدد کولی شم؟ May I help you? May I help you? ته چا سره خبرې کوي؟ Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? هغه د څو کالو ده؟ How old is she? د هغې نه معافي وغواړه. Apologize to him. Apologize to him. بل چاته مه وایه. Don't tell others. Don't tell others. آیا عایشه ستا کور ته راځي؟ Does Aisha come your home? Does Aisha come your home? ماتا وګوره. Look at me. Look at me. هغوی غیر ملکی دي. They are foreigners. They are foreigners. هاغلتا څوک دي. Who is out there? Who is out there? د خپل زړه خبره وکړه. Speak your mind. Speak your mind. امید ساتم چې ته به په مزو کې. Hope you are enjoying yourself. Hope you are enjoying yourself. څوک دا کار کولی شي. Who can do this work? Who can do this work? زر راشه روټۍ یخیږي. Come fast, the food is getting cold. Come fast, the food is getting cold. چای یخیږي. Tea is getting cold. Tea is getting cold. زه روزانه اخبار ګورم. I read the newspaper daily. I read the newspaper daily. سیب خوړل د صحت د پاره ښه وي. Eating apple is good for health. Eating apple is good for health. زما پلار اوده دی. My father is sleeping. My father is sleeping. هغه ستا لپاره یو gift را لېږلی. He has sent a gift for you. He has sent a gift for you. هغه د سحر نه کار کوي. She has been working since morning. She has been working since morning. علي د عمر سره د څلورو میاشتو نه اوسیږي. Ali has been living with Umar for 4 months. Ali has been living with Umar for 4 months. زه تیره میاشت امریکا ته تللی وم. I went the US last month. I went the US last month. زه د شپې ډیر ناوخته اوده شوی وم. I slept very late at night. I slept very late at night. ناوې ښکلې نه ښکارېده. The bride was not looking beautiful. The bride was not looking beautiful. زه استرالیا ته 10 کاله مخکې تللی وم. I went to Australia 10 years ago. I went to Australia 10 years ago. هغه ماته ستا باره کې مخکې نه و ویلي. He didn't tell me about you before. He didn't tell me about you before. زه به سبا ته بازار ته ځم. I will go to market tomorrow. I will go to market tomorrow. Ali ته به سبا ته سکول ته ځې. Ali, you will go to school tomorrow. Ali, you will go to school tomorrow. سبا د سکول چوټي نه ده. Tomorrow is not a school holiday. Tomorrow is not a school holiday. مونږ به نن دې کمره کې نه وده کیږو. We will not sleep in this room today. We will not sleep in this room today. Train د تللو والا دی. The train is about to leave. The train is about to leave. دکان بندېدلو والا دی. The shop is about to close. The shop is about to close. خپل کمرې ته لاړ شه او انتظار وکړه. Go to your room and wait. Go to your room and wait. هغه دومره کمزوری دی چې تللی نشي. He is so weak that he cannot walk. He is so weak that he cannot walk. هغه دومره ښکلې نه ده لکه څومره چې د هغې خور ده. She is not as beautiful as her sister is. She is not as beautiful as her sister is. کاش چې ماته د هغې د نوم پته وی. I wish I knew her name. I wish I knew her name. آیا زه ستا ټیکټ کتلی شم؟ May I see your ticket please? May I see your ticket please? هغه به دا کار نن ونه کړي. He will not do this work today. He will not do this work today. ته څه لټوې یا څه ګورې؟ What are you looking for? What are you looking for? زه نور انتظار نشم کولی. I cannot wait anymore. I cannot wait anymore. گاڑی تیز مه چلوه. Do not drive fast. Do not drive fast. د سړک د اصولو خیال وساته. Follow the rules of the road. Follow the rules of the road. په سړک د اوختلو نه مخکې ګس او ښي طرف ته ګوره. Look left right before crossing the road. Look left right before crossing the road. چې کله ما هغې ته دا وویل نو هغه ډیره خوشحاله شوه. She was very happy when I told her this. She was very happy when I told her this. ته ډېر زیات تپوسونه کوې. You ask a lot of questions. You ask a lot of questions. ته د څومره وخت نه انګلیش زده کوې. For how long have you been learning English? For how long have you been learning English? ما دا کتاب نیم وکتلو. I have half read this book. I have half read this book. آیا ته ما سره سبا نو بل سبا ملاویدلی شي؟ Can you meet me day after tomorrow? Can you meet me day after tomorrow? راځه چې یو ځای ناشته وکړو. Let's have breakfast together. Let's have breakfast together. هلته د تللو هیڅ فایده نشته. It is not worthwhile going there. It is not worthwhile going there. هغه زه په شکل پیژنم او په نوم یې نه پیژنم. I know her by face and not by name. I know her by face and not by name. په الله یقین وکړه او صحیح کار کوه. Trust a God and do the right. Trust a God and do the right. نن سبا زما جیب خالی دی. I have empty pocket these days. I have empty pocket these days. ما سره د خپل صحت فکر دی. I'm worried about my health. I'm worried about my health. زه په دې تصویر کې نه یم. I'm not there in this photograph. I'm not there in this photograph. دې دوی سره به ستا تبه ختم شي. This medicine will bring your fever down. This medicine will bring your fever down. هغه د خپل وزن د کمولو کوشش کوي. She trying to reduce her weight. She trying to reduce her weight. موبایل د چارج نه لرې کړه. Unplug the phone from charging. Unplug the phone from charging. خپل کمره صفا کړه. Clean your room. Clean your room. زه لږ آرام کول غواړم. I want to rest for a while. I want to rest for a while. هغه د یاري نه رپېدله. She is trembling with fear. She is trembling with fear. زما د هغې سره هیڅ تعلق نشته. I have no relation with her. زه به په یو میاشت کې کار مکمل کړم. I'll complete the work in month. I'll complete the work in month. آیا ته څه ویل غواړې؟ Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something? د دې ذمہوار څوک دی؟ Who is responsible for this? Who is responsible for this? د دې ذمہوار ته یې. You are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. ورځ په ورځ ګرمي زیاتیږي. It's getting hotter day by day. It's getting hotter day by day. د دې کار د ختمولو دپاره مونږ ته د 2 ورځو نور ضرورت دی. We need 2 more days to finish this work. We need 2 more days to finish this work. 15 کاله مخکې هغې سره یو ګاډی و، خو اوس ورسره 15 ګاډي دي. 5 years ago he had a car. Today he has 15 cars. 5 years ago he had a car. Today he has 15 cars. ما هغه ته وویل ځکه چې هغې مانا تپوس وکړو. I told him because he asked me. I told him because he asked me. د هغې د واده نه بعد زه هغې سره نه یم ملاو شوی. I have not met her since her marriage. I have not met her since her marriage. تا ته اوس لږ آرام کول پکار دی. You should take some rest now. You should take some rest now. ماشومانو ته د خپل مور او پلار احترام کول پکار دی. Children should respect their parents. Children should respect their parents. هغه یوازې انګلیش نه بلکې جرمن هم ویلی شي. She can speak not only English but also German. She can speak not only English but also German. زه تا سره مخامخ خبرې کول غواړم. I want to talk you face to face. I want to talk you face to face. د هغه دروغ ویل عادت دی. He is used to lying. زه د عینکو نه بغیر صحیح نشم کتلی. I do not see properly without glasses. I do not see properly without glasses. زه ستا آواز صحیح نه اورم. تیز وایا. I cannot hear your voice. Speak loudly. اوس به مونږ یو بل سره جګړه نه کوو. Now we will not fight each other. Now we will not fight each other. خلق به تا پسې خاندي. People will laugh at you. People will laugh at you. هغه د اعتماد سړی نه دی. He is not a reliable person. He is not a reliable person. هغه به کور کې نه وي. He will not be at home. He will not be at home. څه خبرې ته دومره خفه کړی یې؟ What makes you sad? What makes you sad? زه د دې ځینه د تللو والا یم. I'm about to leave here. I'm about to leave here. زما خپل ګاډی ډیر زیات خوښ دی. I like my car a lot. I like my car a lot. هغې ماته دا ونه ویل. She did not tell me so. She did not tell me so. ما ته پته نشته چې دا څه دي. I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this. ته څه غواړې؟ What do you want? What do you want? د خپل ځان خیال ساته. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. ته ولې دومره ناوخته کور ته راغلی؟ Why did you come home so late? Why did you come home so late? هغه د تللو والاو. He was about to go. He was about to go. په دې دومره وخت نه لګي. It won't take so long. It won't take so long. ته نن ولې دومره ستړی یې؟ Why are you so tired today? Why are you so tired today? مهرباني وکړه لایټ بند کړه. Turn off the light please. Turn off the light please. ته څه ټایم کور ته ځې؟ What time do you go home? What time do you go home? هغه اوس څنګه دی؟ How is he now? How is he now? هغه څوک دی؟ Who is he? Who is he? هغه ولې راغله؟ Why did she come? Why did she come? آیا ستا طبیعت صحیح نه دی؟ Are you not well? Are you not well? آیا ته ما پیژنې؟ Do you know me? ته نن سبا څه کوې؟ What are you doing these days? ستا په دماغو کې څه دي؟ What is in your mind? What is in your mind? آیا تاسو وزن زیات کړی دی؟ Have you gained some weight? Have you gained some weight? آیا تا ته زما نوم یاد دی؟ Do you remember my name? Do you remember my name? آیا ته د تیارې نه یریږې؟ Are you scared of the dark? Are you scared of the dark? آیا ته هم داسې سوچ کوې؟ Do you also think so? Do you also think so? آیا ستا یقین دی چې دا رښتیا دي؟ Are you sure that's true? Are you sure that's true? څه مسله ده؟ What's the problem? What's the problem? ته ځې او که نه؟ Are you going or not? Are you going or not? ته به ځې او که نه؟ Will you go or not? Will you go or not? هغه څه کوي؟ What does he do? What does he do? ته څوک نه پیژنې؟ Whom do you not know? Whom do you not know? تا نن څو روپۍ خرچ کړې؟ How much money did you spend today? How much money did you spend today? آیا ستا په سر درد دی؟ Do you have a headache? Do you have a headache? میچ چا وګټلو؟ Who won the match? Who won the match? دا د چا قلم دی؟ Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? هغه چیرته کار کوي؟ Where does he work? Where does he work? هغه چیرته اوسیږي؟ Where does he live? Where does he live? ته ولې خفه یې؟ Why are you sad? Why are you sad? هغه سره څو ګاډي دي؟ How many cars has he? How many cars has he? ته د څومره وخت نه زما انتظار کوې؟ How long have you been waiting for me? How long have you been waiting for me? ته کله فارغ یې؟ When are you free? When are you free? ما ته به څنګه پته ولګي؟ How would I know? How would I know? اسد ولې رانغلو؟ Why didn't Asad come? Why didn't Asad come? زما ستانه دا امید نه و. I didn't expect this from you. I didn't expect this from you. د دې څه فایده نشته. It's no use. It's no use. د وخت خبره ده. It's the matter of time. It's the matter of time. ستا څه خیال دی چې هغه به د څو کالو وي؟ How old do you think she is? How old do you think she is? ته خپل نوم څنګه لیکي؟ How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? څومره ټایم به اخلي؟ How long will it take? How long will it take? آیا ستا نور څه پکار دي؟ Do you want anything else? Do you want anything else? هغه ډیره زیاته ښکلې ده. She is extremely beautiful. She is extremely beautiful. آیا ته زما کار خوښوې؟ Do you like my work? Do you like my work? زما دا مطلب نو. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. هغه مجبور دی. He is forced. He is forced. زه به بیا داسې کله هم نه کوم. I'll never do that again. I'll never do that again. زه خواوشه یا زه آس پاسم. I was around. I was around. زه به د دې باره کې سوچ وکړم. I'll think it over. I'll think it over. داسې خبرې مه کوه. Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. ته څه غواړې؟ What do you want? What do you want? ورک شه. Buzz off. Buzz off. زما غلطی نه ده. I'm not at fault. I'm not at fault. په خپل حد کې اوسه. Stay within your limits. Stay within your limits. زه مدد کول غواړم. I'm willing to help. I'm willing to help. آیا تا ته لار معلومه ده؟ Do you know the way? Do you know the way? اوس ته څنګه محسوسوې؟ How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? هلته څومره کسان دي؟ How many people were there? How many people were there? دا ستا غلط فهمی ده. It's your misunderstanding. It's your misunderstanding. هغه دننه راوله. Send him in. Send him in. ماته خوب راځي. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. غلط عادتونه پرېږده. Give up bad habits. Give up bad habits. اوس زما نمبر دی. Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn. ماشومانو په کوڅه کې لوبې کولې. The kids were playing in the street. The kids were playing in the street. چابي په تاله کې پرېږده. Leave the key in the lock. Leave the key in the lock. هغه په ګاډي کې کېناسته او لاړه. She go in her car and drove off. She go in her car and drove off. زه هغه سره په کلونو نه یم ملاو شوی. I haven't seen him in years. I haven't seen him in years. هغه په تیاره کې یوازې ناستو. He was sitting alone in the darkness. He was sitting alone in the darkness. هغه په تیز आवाज وویل. He speak in a loud voice. He speak in a loud voice. هغه د اخبار کتلو دپاره کېناستلو. He sat down to read the paper. He sat down to read the paper. ما ته د هغې یو لفظ یاد نه دی. I can't remember her exact words. I can't remember her exact words. آیا زه نن وختي تللی شم؟ Could I leave early today? Could I leave early today? هغه پیدایشي ړوندو. He was blind from birth. He was blind from birth. هغه په ځمکه راولوېدلو. He fell to the ground. He fell to the ground. ما ته پته ده چې ته دروغ وایې. I know you are lying. I know you are lying. د حیرانېدو خبره نه ده. No wonder. No wonder. زه حیران یم. I wonder. I wonder. داسې کله هم مه کوه. Never do so. Never do so. دا د چا فیصله ده؟ Whose decision is this? Whose decision is this? دا به زه کله هم هیر نه کړم. I'll never forget this. I'll never forget this. هغه اوس هم کور کې کار کوي. She is still doing the household chores. She is still doing the household chores. ته همیشه ولې آنلاین یې؟ Why do you always stay online? Why do you always stay online? زه دلته په ودرېدو ستړی شوم. I'm tired of just standing here. I'm tired of just standing here. آیا ته په څه مصیبت کې یې؟ Are you in some sort of trouble? Are you in some sort of trouble? د چوکاټ نه یا د خپل حد نه مه بار کېږه. Do not cross your limits. Do not cross your limits. تا سره خبرو کولو کې هیڅ فایده نشته. It is not use talking to you. It is not use talking to you. ما ته د سوچ د پاره لږ وخت راکړه. Give me some time to think. Give me some time to think. ما ته غصه مه راوله. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. زه یوازې ځم. I'm going alone. I'm going alone. څه مه وایه. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. یقین وکړه یا مه کوه. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. چې یخیږي. The tea is getting cold. The tea is getting cold. زه اوس مصروف یم. Right now I'm busy. Right now I'm busy. ما ته پته ده چې دا څومره مشکل دی. I know how difficult it is. I know how difficult it is. ته اوس چېرته یې؟ Where are you now? Where are you now? ما سره خبرې مه کوه. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. غټ خلک غټې خبرې. Big toy big boy. Big toy big boy. دا څه غټه خبره نه ده. It is not a big deal. It is not a big deal. شرمېږه مه. Don't feel shy. Don't feel shy. زه څه نشم کولی. I can't do anything. I can't do anything. هغه کله کله راځي. He comes occasionally. He comes occasionally. زه په هر څه پوهېږم. I understand everything. I understand everything. هغې وعده کړې وه. She made a promise. She made a promise. دې کې د چغو څه خبره ده؟ What's there to shout in it? What's there to shout in it? آیا ته دا صحیح کولی شي؟ Can you fix it? Can you fix it? څومره خودغرضه یې. How selfish you are. How selfish you are. دا به وخت اخلي. It will take time. It will take time. ته چغلخور یې. You are a snatcher. You are a snatcher. په دې کې د خفګان څه خبره ده؟ What is there to be upset? What is there to be upset?